Comedian, coming back to you live. I'm still on the road, still driving. I got my show coming up February 1st. 224 Polk Street, Burning Coal Theater. Y'all come check me out. I'm gonna turn all the way up. I ain't even gonna be drunk in love, but I'm turn all the way up. Watch, I'm about to give y'all a little preview of what y'all gonna see. That's right. Baby, 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 I want you. Can't keep my eyes off your pretty, pretty. I want you. Drunk as fuck. Alright, I had to stop. Cause you know what I'm saying? I can't share my beautiful angelic voice with everybody. You know what I'm saying? Everybody can't get that. It's just for y'all. But if y'all want to see more, come check me out. February 1st, 2:30. It's a Saturday afternoon, y'all. It's going down. Josie the Comedian live, 2:30, Saturday, February 1st, 224 Polk Street, Raleigh, North Carolina. Come holler at your girl. No resting under these lights, boy. I'm walking into my last 10 minutes. I'm rubbing on it, rubbing it. You said.
I've been drinking. I get filthy when that liquor get it to me. I've been thinking. Why can't I keep my fingers off it, baby? I want you.